Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making spiced chicken with cauliflower, red peppers, and hummus. To a pound of chicken thighs, add cumin, paprika, salt, coriander, cinnamon, and pepper. Mix it in really well, and then to a preheated pan, add a couple tablespoons of oil and lay the chicken down in a single layer. Starting with the preheated pan will keep the chicken from sticking as much. So you cook the chicken for about 5 minutes untouched until the side of the chicken is brown. You can flip it over and cook the other side. You can move it around a little bit if it starts to stick. And then you remove the chicken. You set that aside, and then you next want to cook the onions. The onions are cooked slowly and evenly, so you just put them in and you move them around, and if there are too many brown pieces from the chicken, you can toss in a couple tablespoons of cooking wine or maybe even water, and then just remove the sticky parts and continue cooking. The onions like a slow and even cook. So at the midway point, when the onions are softened, you can add red peppers and cook those until they're softened. When both are to your liking, you can set those aside, and then you add the cauliflower, the raisins, and about a third of a cup of water, and cover it, cooking for about 6 to 8 minutes. At some point, you want to uncover it and taste the cauliflower to make sure that it's done to your liking. If it is, you toss in the rest of the ingredients that you've set aside to finish cooking. After everything is mixed together thoroughly and coated and warm, you can plate this dish over hummus. Hummus is served kind of it's almost like a gravy to this dish. So you serve that along with some flatbread, if you like, unleavened flatbread, or you can serve it with your favorite grain. So thanks for watching Cooking with Dad, and check out cookingwithdad.net.